Good evening, everybody. I am T.H. Raidu, lecturer in chemistry, Masters PU College, Hassan. Now I am discussing some CET questions from the lesson alcohols, phenols, and ethers. This is very important lesson in the organic chemistry part. It is the intermediate lesson from haloalkanes and haloarenes, and also aldehydes and ketones, because haloalkanes and haloarenes becomes reactants for alcohols, phenols, and ethers, and also aldehydes and ketones are the products from alcohols, phenols, ethers. Now we'll discuss some important questions from the topic alcohols, phenols, and ethers. Right. Question number 1. Which of the following are the starting materials for the Grignard synthesis of tertiary butanol? Question once again. Which of the following are the starting materials for the Grignard synthesis of tertiary butanol? Options: methyl magnesium bromide and acetone, ethyl magnesium bromide and acetone, methyl magnesium bromide and isopropyl alcohol, methyl magnesium bromide and tertiary butyl alcohol. We know that according to the chapter, Grignard reagents are used for preparation of primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols. In this, Grignard reagent react with formaldehyde to form primary alcohol. Grignard reagent react with aldehyde other than formaldehyde to form secondary alcohol. Okay. Aldehyde other than formaldehyde means acetaldehyde, propanaldehyde, benzaldehyde, etc. They will react with Grignard reagent to form secondary alcohol. Grignard reagent react with ketone to form tertiary alcohol. In option A, Grignard reagent and ketone. Option B also Grignard reagent and ketone. Between A and B, which is right? So Grignard reagent with 1 carbon, methyl magnesium bromide, adds to ketone with 3 carbon to form tertiary butyl alcohol. So generally Grignard reagents are nucleophilic reagents. Grignard reagents adds to aldehydes and ketones to form the intermediate addition product, which undergo acidic hydrolysis to form the respective alcohols. So according to explanation, option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. So addition of methyl magnesium bromide to acetone is represented in the hint given below. Right. We go for the second question. Identify Z in the following sequence of reactions. Reactant ethanol react with PBr3 to form product X. X react with alcoholic potassium hydroxide to form product Y. Y react with water in presence of acid catalyst to form the product Z. Now what are XYZ? So X is the bromoethane or ethyl bromide, which undergo dehydrohalogenation to form respective alkene, ethane. Ethane undergo hydration in presence of acid catalyst to form ethyl alcohol. So according to the explanation here, option B is the right answer. Ethyl alcohol is the product. Okay. So option B is the right answer. The respective conversions are represented in the hint given below. Right. So next question. Third question. The correct order of decreasing boiling point of the following alcohols is: alcohols given 1 pentanol, 2-methyl 2-butanol, 3-methyl 2-butanol. 3 alcohols given here. They are isomeric alcohols with the formula C5H11OH. Okay. We know that boiling temperature of 1 degree alcohol greater than 2 degree alcohol, 2 degree alcohol greater than 3 degree alcohol. Also, we know that in case of organic compounds, if the number of branches increases, the molecule becomes spherical, intermolecular attractions becomes weaker or lesser, therefore boiling point decreases. So 1 pentanol straight chain alcohol, higher boiling point, 2-methyl 2-butanol 3 degree alcohol with 1 branch, 3-methyl 2-butanol 2 degree alcohol with 1 branch, because 3 degree lower boiling point than 2 degree. Option A is the right answer. 1 greater than 3, 3 greater than 2, 2 greater than 2. So for the third question, option A is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following reaction conditions are used for the conversion of ethanol to ethylene? Ethanol to ethylene. So ethyl alcohol react with concentrated sulfuric acid at different temperatures forms different products. So that this product of this reaction depends upon mole ratio of the reactants and temperature applied. Temperature applied. 1 mole of ethyl alcohol react with concentrated sulfuric acid at 70 degrees Celsius to form ethyl hydrogen sulfate. Excess of ethyl alcohol, 2 moles. Excess of ethyl alcohol react with sulfuric acid at 140 degrees Celsius forms the product diethyl ether. Then ethyl alcohol react with excess of concentrated sulfuric acid at higher temperature, 170 degrees Celsius. Dehydration takes place to form alkene. Okay, so that reaction conditions for ethanol to ethylene is option D, right answer. Concentrated sulfuric acid at 170 degrees Celsius. Okay. The next question is, which of the following gases is liberated when ethyl alcohol is heated with methyl magnesium iodide? Grignard reagent with alcohol. Grignard reagent with alcohol. Okay. So we know that Grignard reagent react with compounds containing active hydrogen to form respective hydrocarbon. Right. What are compounds containing active hydrogen and examples? Water, alcohol, carboxylic acid, terminal alkyne, amines. These are the compounds containing active hydrogen because hydrogen bonded to electronegative atom. So that Grignard reagents react with compounds containing active hydrogen to form respective hydrocarbon. For example, take RMgX. Just you add one more hydrogen to the R group. It is methyl, methane is formed. Ethyl, ethane is formed. Cyclohexyl, cyclohexane is formed. Phenyl, benzene is formed. This is one of the important reaction. So that Grignard reagent react with ethyl alcohol. Grignard reagent given here methyl magnesium iodide 1 carbon. So methane is the product. Methane is the product. So option A is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following graphs represent the correct order of boiling point of ethane, ethyl alcohol, and acetic acid? Consider 3 compounds given. First one is ethane, which is hydrocarbon. Intermolecular attractions are very weak, so boiling point is very less. The next one, ethyl alcohol. Third one, acetic acid. Both have intermolecular hydrogen bond, also intermolecular attractions. Right. Ethyl alcohol, intermolecular hydrogen bond is formed. In acetic acid, also intermolecular hydrogen bond is formed, but intermolecular hydrogen bond is more stronger in acetic acid when compared with ethyl alcohol. Therefore, boiling temperature of acetic acid is higher than that of ethyl alcohol. So based on this explanation now, option C is the right answer. Boiling point of ethane less than ethyl alcohol less than acetic acid. So option C is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. Okay. Next question. Compound X undergoes reduction with lithium aluminum hydride to yield Y. When vapors of Y are passed over freshly reduced copper at 300 degrees Celsius, X is formed. What is Y? Then consider Y passed over freshly reduced copper. Copper is dehydrogenating agent. Which compounds undergo dehydrogenation? Alcohols. Alcohols. So Y is alcohol. So generally alcohol is obtained from aldehydes and ketones. Generally aldehydes and ketones. Aldehyde on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, the product is primary alcohol. The product is primary alcohol. So ketones on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, the product is secondary alcohol. The product is secondary alcohol. So consider options. The first one is ketone with 3 carbons. Second one is aldehyde. Third one is alcohol. And Next one is ether. Next one is ether. According to question now, why is alcohol? Because it undergo dehydrogenation with copper. So option C is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. So question number 8, the major product of the reaction. In this reaction, consider reactants first. Haloalkane with sodium ethoxide. Haloalkane with sodium ethoxide. Reactant shows that product may be ether. Product may be ether because haloalkane react with sodium alkoxide to form an ether. This is Williamson ether synthesis. But product depends upon haloalkane, whether it is primary, secondary, tertiary. Primary and secondary halides. Primary and secondary halides preferably undergo substitution reaction with sodium alkoxide to form respective ethers. Okay. Therefore, here reactant given is tertiary alkyl halide. Tertiary alkyl halide. In presence of strong base like sodium ethoxide, tertiary halides preferably undergo elimination. Tertiary halides preferably undergo elimination instead of substitution to form respective alkene. Then observe in the options, alkene given only in the option B. Alkene given in the only option B. So major product of this reaction, isobutylene alkene. Isobutylene alkene. So right answer for the question 8 is option B, right answer. Next question. Arrangement of following compounds based on their boiling point in the increasing order. The compounds given are N-butane, 2-butanol, ethoxyethane, and 1-propanol. Compare the compounds. Butane is hydrocarbon, very weak intermolecular attractive forces. So the boiling point is very less. In remaining 3 compounds, there are 2 alcohols. One is the ether. Generally, ethers have a lower boiling point when compared with alcohols. So boiling point of ethoxyethane lower than respective isomeric alcohols, 2-butanol, 1-propanol. Now compare 2 alcohols, 2-butanol and 1-propanol. Both are alcohols, both have intermolecular hydrogen bond. But when compared, 2-butanol has higher molecular mass than that of the 1-propanol. Therefore, boiling temperature of 2-butanol higher when compared with boiling point of the 1-propanol. So that compare order given in option C. So least boiling point goes for butane, highest 2-butanol. So order of boiling point, right option for this question is option C. Option C is the okay. Next question, 10th one. Power alcohol is a mixture of. Many times, what is power alcohol is important question for 1 more question. It is a mixture of 80% petrol and 20% ethanol and a small quantity of benzene also added. So that option B is the right answer. Power alcohol is a very important substitute for petrol in automobile engines, having more efficiency and less knocking. So that answer for the 10th question is option B. Answer for the 10th question is option B. So next question. An aromatic organic compound having molecular formula C7H8O does not give characteristic color with neutral ferrichloride, but bubbles of hydrogen gas are formed when it is treated with metallic sodium. The compound is. Find important hints from the question. The compound does not give characteristic color with neutral ferrichloride. This shows that the compound is not phenolic, because we have one very important question in the practical part. Give one test for the detection of phenols. Explain neutral ferric chloride. Phenol gives violet color with neutral ferric chloride. But here, because does not give color with neutral ferric chloride, the compound does not contain phenolic OH group. Next, but bubbles of hydrogen gas are formed when it is treated with metallic sodium. This also shows that alcohols react with metallic sodium, bubbles of hydrogen gas is formed. Bubbles of hydrogen gas is formed. This also another important hint for presence of alcoholic group, that is OH group bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon or benzylic carbon. So based on this, option C and D wrong because they are phenolic. Option B, ether does not react with either neutral ferric chloride or metallic sodium. So that option A is the right answer. For 11th question, option A is the right answer. Next one, 12th question. When vapors of secondary alcohol is passed over heated copper at 573 Kelvin, the product formed is. So generally very easy to find answer. Copper is the dehydrogenation catalyst. Dehydrogenation of alcohols at 573 Kelvin in presence of copper. Primary alcohol undergo dehydrogenation to form aldehyde. Secondary alcohol undergo dehydrogenation to form ketone. Whereas tertiary alcohols do not undergo dehydrogenation. Why? Tertiary alcohol do not undergo dehydrogenation because carbon containing OH group does not contain hydrogen. Does not contain hydrogen. So instead of dehydrogenation, dehydration takes place to form the respective alkene. To form respective alkene. But in the question we have secondary alcohol, therefore ketone is the right answer. Ketone is the right answer. So for 12th question, option C is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. Okay. 14th question, question number 13. In water, hydrogen, oxygen, hydrogen bond angle is 104.5. But in ethers, ROR, the carbon, oxygen, carbon bond angle is about 110 degree. Okay. What is the reason for this? Right. In chemical bonding, we studied about VSEPR theory, distortion of molecules, hybridization theory, etc. Okay. In water, oxygen is sp3 hybridized. The bond angle is 104.5 degree. It is reduced from 109 degree 28 minutes to 104.5 due to repulsion from lone pair. Due to repulsion from lone pair. In ether also, oxygen is sp3 hybridized. It contains two lone pairs. But bond angle instead of reduced increases. Instead of reduced, it increases. Because when compared with hydrogen, alkyls are bulky groups. Alkyls are bulky groups. Okay. If the size of terminal groups increases, bond angle also increases because repulsion due to bulky groups predominates. Then repulsion due to lone pair. Repulsion due to lone pair. So according to this, now option C is the right answer. Bulky alkyl groups repulsions predominates when compared with lone pair repulsion. Okay. So option C is the right answer. Then 14th question. An organic compound X on treatment with pyridinium chlorochromate in dichloromethane gives compound Y. Compound Y react with I2 and alkali to form triiodomethane. The compound X is. In this question, important hint is pyridinium chlorochromate, that is PCC. Think about what is function of PCC. It oxidizes primary alcohols to just aldehydes. Secondary alcohols to just ketones. Because this is mild oxidizing agent oxidation of alcohols stops with one step oxidation, not complete oxidation, not complete oxidation. Therefore, Exxon treatment with pyridinium chlorochromate gives compound Y. Y may be aldehyde or ketone. Y may be aldehyde or ketone. The compound Y react with alkali to form triiodomethane. Right. So what type of compounds undergo iodoform reaction? Iodoform reaction. What type of alcohols undergo iodoform reaction? Generally in the chapter aldehydes and ketones, those aldehydes and ketones containing methyl keto group, that is CH3C double bond O group, readily undergo iodoform reaction. Readily undergo iodoform reaction. But what type of alcohols undergo iodoform reaction? So alcohols which undergo oxidation with halogen, that is Cl2 or I2, to form methyl keto groups. Methyl keto groups undergo iodoform reaction. Right. So according to this explanation, ethyl alcohol on oxidation with PCC forms acetaldehyde. Ethyl alcohol on oxidation forms acetaldehyde. This is why. Acetaldehyde react with I2 in NaOH, that is I2 in alkali, to form ethyl iodide. So iodoform reaction or chloroform reaction or generally haloform reaction is very, very important. During haloform reaction, I2 in NaOH or I2 in Na2CO3 or even directly NaOI, sodium hypoiodide, also may be used. So that based on this, the X is ethyl alcohol. X is the ethyl alcohol. Therefore, option A is the right answer. Okay. Next question. The correct order of easy of dehydration of the alcohols. See? Dehydration of alcohols depends upon stability of intermediate carbocations. Dehydration of alcohols depends upon stability of intermediate carbocations. Okay. Higher the stability of intermediate carbocation, higher the rate of dehydration of respective alcohol. For example, order of dehydration of 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree alcohols, that is primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols is 3 degree greater than 2 degree, 2 degree greater than 1 degree. But here, all the alcohols given are 2 degree alcohols, secondary alcohols, secondary alcohols. Now consider intermediate carbocation obtained from respective alcohols, respective alcohols. Consider carbocation from first alcohol, then this is secondary carbocation without any resonance, no any conjugation with pi bonds. Then consider second carbocation from second alcohol. So this is the carbocation in conjugation with pi bond. So it has resonance. This is more stable. This carbocation is more stable when compared with first one. Then carbocation with third one still more stable when compared with carbocation from second one. Carbocation from second one. Therefore, third alcohol dehydrates more readily than second one. Second one dehydrates more readily than first one. According to this now, option B is the right answer. Okay. Dehydration of third alcohol is greater. Next one. Phenolphthalein is formed by condensation of phthalic anhydride and phenol in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, which structure shows color in the basic medium. Color in basic medium. So phenolphthalein is one of the acid-base indicator. It shows different colors in acidic and basic solutions. Phenolphthalein is colorless in acidic solution and pink in basic medium. So that in case of acidic and basic solution, during change of the medium, phenolphthalein is converted from benzenoid to phenoid. Benzenoid to phenoid in presence of basic. So that reason for pink color is phenoid form of the phenolphthalein. Phenoid form of phenolphthalein. So observe the options. Option A, all are benzene rings. Option C, all are benzene rings. Option B, one of the benzene ring in phenoid form. Therefore, it shows pink color in basic medium. Option B is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. Okay. In the acid catalyzed dehydration of 1-methyl cyclohexanol, the major product is okay. Acid catalyzed dehydration of 1-methyl cyclohexanol. Again, we studied that dehydration of alcohols. During dehydration of alcohol, product is alkene. So product alkene may be terminal alkene or non-terminal alkene. So non-terminal alkene is more alkyl substituted than terminal alkene. So that more alkene with more alkyl substituents will be the more stable alkene when compared with terminal alkene. So consider options. Option A is alkene with one alkyl group. So option B is terminal alkene. It has no alkyl substituents for double bonded carbon. Okay. Option C and D not relevant. Okay. Between option A and option B, option A, alkene is more stable when compared with option B. More stable alkene is the major alkene formed during dehydration of alcohols. Okay. So that option A is the right answer. Okay. Question number 18. Consider the reaction alcohol with sodium metal, sodium alkoxide. Alcohol with sodium metal, sodium alkoxide. Sodium alkoxide with alkyl halide. Second step reaction is the Williamson ether synthesis. So this reaction is simply Williamson ether synthesis reaction. It's a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Haloalkane react with sodium alkoxide to form an ether. Here halide is the weaker nucleophile, X minus halide is the weaker nucleophile. Alkoxide, RO minus, is very strong nucleophile. What is nucleophilic substitution? The substitution of weaker nucleophile by the stronger nucleophile to form the product is known as nucleophilic substitution reaction. Therefore, option C is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. Okay. Next question, 19th one. The major product of the following reaction is. Just observe the reactant. It contains two OH groups. Okay. One is phenolic OH group, which is acidic. Another OH is alcoholic OH group because it is bonded to sp3 carbon. Right. So reagent given over arrow mark is K2CO3 is basic reagent. It abstracts proton from phenolic. Therefore, intermediate phenoxide ion is obtained. Right. So phenoxide is a stronger nucleophile. When compared with I minus. Therefore, substitution takes place. Nucleophilic substitution takes place. Undergo Williamson ether synthesis type reaction to form an ether. So according to this explanation, which is right option? Option A is the right one, because only phenolic OH react in presence of a base to form phenoxide, and in the second step it undergo Williamson ether synthesis to form the product A. So that option A is the right answer. Then question number 20. It is polycyclic ketone group is present and ester group is present. Consider immediately functional groups present in given organic compound. One functional group is ketone, another is ester. So sodium borohydride is the reducing agent. It is the selective reducing agent only for ketones, not for esters. Selective reducing agent only for ketone group. So ketones undergo reduction with sodium borohydride to form secondary alcohols. So that which is secondary alcohol given in the given option? All of them contain option A OH, option B OH, option C also OH. But ester group to be retained because this cannot be reduced by sodium borohydride. According to this observation now, option C is the right answer. Option C is the right answer because only ketone reduced to secondary alcohol and ester group retained as well. So for 20th question, option C is the right answer. Okay. So go for next question. Decreasing order of acidic strength of the following is. Decreasing order of acidic strength of the following is. Just observe the compounds given. Third compound is water. Remaining alcohols. What type alcohols given? First one primary alcohol. Second one 2-degree alcohol. Third one 3-degree alcohol. 3-degree alcohol. Compare the acidic strength of the given compounds. We know that water is more acidic than any alcohol. Water is more acidic than alcohol. Right. Water is more acidic than alcohol. Why? Or alcohol is weakly acidic than water. Why? Alcohol is weakly acidic because after donating proton, alcohol oxide is obtained, which is very less stable because it has no resonance. Alcohol oxide is less stable by another reason also because of plus I effect of the alkyl group. More the plus I effect of alkyl group, lesser the stability of alcohol oxide ion. Lesser the stability of alcohol oxide ion. So order of acidic strength of primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols generally 1 degree more acidic than 2 degree, 2 degree more acidic than 3 degree. When compared with water, water is more acidic than primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohols. So that consider order given in option C. Order given in option C. Third one means water, more acidic than primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, and tertiary alcohol. So option C is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. Next question. The major product in the following reaction is. The major product in the following reaction is. Consider reactant, hydroxybenzyl alcohol. Hydroxybenzyl alcohol. There are two OH groups present here. One is phenolic OH group, which do not undergo dehydration because of resonance, do not undergo dehydration. And consider another OH group, which is benzylic. Since benzylic carbocation is more stable, benzylic alcohol readily undergo dehydration. Benzylic readily undergo dehydration even in absence of dehydrating catalyst. So that hydroxybenzylic alcohol, okay, undergo dehydration to form benzylic OH group replaced by here Cl. Benzylic OH group replaced by with chlorine. Now, according to explanation, observe the options given A, B, C, D. Option D, OH is replaced by Cl and phenolic OH retained usually. So option D is the right answer. Option D is the right answer. Next question. 23rd. An unknown alcohol is treated with glucose reagent to determine whether the alcohol is primary, secondary, or tertiary. Which alcohol reacts fastest and by what mechanism? Students, all of you well known about Lucas test, which is useful to distinguish primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols. What is Lucas reagent? It is a mixture of concentrated HCl and anhydrous zinc chloride. It is already studied. Lucas reagent is mixed with given alcohol. If turbidity immediately shows 3 degree alcohol, turbidity slowly shows 2 degree alcohol. Turbidity after 5 minutes, after heating only. 1 degree alcohol, 1 degree alcohol. So this is also nothing but dehydration of alcohols. It's also nothing but dehydration of alcohols. What is the order of dehydration of alcohols? 3 degree alcohol undergo dehydration more readily than 2 degree, 2 degree more readily than 1 degree. What is the reason? Because intermediate tertiary carbocation from 3 degree alcohol is more stable. 3 degree alcohol is more stable. Wherever carbocation is more stable, SN1 mechanism takes place. SN1 mechanism takes place. Therefore, one react with fastest tertiary alcohol by what mechanism? SN1 mechanism. Therefore, according to explanation, option D is the right answer. Option D is the right answer. Next question. Arrange the following compounds in the order of decreasing acidity. Arrange the following compounds in the order of decreasing acidity. Observe the compounds given here. Here given substituted phenols. Substituted phenols. Phenol with minus I groups and plus I groups. That is electron withdrawing groups and electron releasing groups. Electron releasing groups. We know that phenol is acidic since phenoxide ion is more stabilized by resonance. More stabilized by resonance. So we also know that presence of any electron withdrawing group like NO2 increases acidic strength of phenol, whereas presence of electron releasing group like CH3 decreases acidic strength of the phenol. So that here in the 4 compounds NO2 electron withdrawing, Cl also electron withdrawing, they are more acidic than remaining 2 compounds. Electron withdrawing effect of NO2 is greater than that of Cl. So therefore, among 4 compounds, nitrophenol is more acidic than chlorophenol. Remaining 2, one is with methyl group, another one is methoxy group. Methoxy group. Methyl group shows only electron releasing, that is plus I effect, whereas OCH3 shows plus M effect also. Plus M effect also. So that methoxy, phenol with methoxy is lesser acidic than methyl group. Now, according to this explanation, which option is right? Which option? Para, nitrophenol, more acidic. Third one. Nitrophenol is more acidic than chlorophenol. Chlorophenol more acidic than cresol. It also more acidic than methoxyphenol. Therefore, which option is right? Option C is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. The next question. Orthonitrophenol is less soluble in water than para and meta-nitrophenols because. So students, we know that solubility of organic compounds in water is due to intermolecular hydrogen bond with water. For example, ethyl alcohol is organic compound but soluble in water. Why? Because it forms hydrogen bond with water or able to break hydrogen bond with water. Consider here orthonitrophenol and para-meta-nitrophenols. In orthonitrophenol, observe that intramolecular hydrogen bond. That is, hydrogen bond is formed within the molecule between both electronegative atom and hydrogen belonging to same molecule. It avoids intermolecular hydrogen bond with water. Therefore, because of intramolecular hydrogen bond, solubility decreases in orthonitrophenol. Therefore, option C is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. Next question, 26. The acidic character of phenol is due to. It is already discussed in the previous questions. Phenol is acidic due to greater stability of phenoxide ion. Phenoxide ion is more stable than phenol by the resonance. Both phenol and phenoxide have resonance structures. Phenol and phenoxide both have 5 resonance structures. In phenol, molecular form phenol is less stable. Molecular form of phenol is more stable. Then the resonance structure of phenol, those involving charge separation is less stable. Whereas in case of phenoxide, those given in the hint, the negative charge presence in phenoxide delocalized equally among all the 5 structures. delocalized equally among all the atoms, More the delocalization, more will be stable. More the delocalization, more will be stable. So when compared, phenoxide ion is more stable because of resonance than phenol. Okay. So the acidic character of phenol is greater resonance stabilization of phenoxide ion over phenol. Okay. Option C is the right answer. Next question, 27. Anisole on cleavage with hydroiodic acid gives. Anisole is the ether containing phenyl group. Anisole is the ether containing phenyl group. So that unsymmetrical ether. So anisole react with hydroiodic acid. To form phenol and methyl iodide. Okay. So option A is the right answer. Option A. This is one very important reaction. Okay. Next question is 28. Identify A and B in the following. Reaction. Just observe carefully the reaction steps given. Starting reactant is aniline. It reacts with HNO2 at low temperature 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, forms the product X. So HNO2 at low temperature represent diazotization. Therefore, product X is the diazonium chloride. Diazonium chloride on boiling with water, what is the product? Phenol is formed. So why is phenol? Phenol react with chloroform and sodium hydroxide followed by acidification. Forms salicylaldehyde. Name this reaction. This is Reimer-Tiemann reaction. What is the product of Reimer-Tiemann reaction? Salicylaldehyde. So the compound A is salicylaldehyde. Considering why is phenol? Phenol react with sodium hydroxide and carbon dioxide followed by acidification. Forms salicylic acid. Name this reaction. Coles reaction. In Coles reaction, the product is salicylic acid. So the compound A is salicylaldehyde. And compound B is salicylic acid. According to this, which option is right? Option A is the right answer. This reaction based on two familiar name reactions, Reimer-Tiemann and Coles reaction. Okay. Next question. How many alcohols with molecular formula C4H10O are chiral in nature? Right. C4H10O, butyl alcohol. It has how many isomers? Generally 4 isomers. Name the 4 isomers. N-butyl alcohol, isobutyl alcohol, secondary butyl alcohol, tertiary butyl alcohol. Right. So what is chirality? A carbon bonded with 4 different atoms or groups. Is chiral carbon? It shows chirality. Among 4 isomeric alcohols, only one. Secondary butyl alcohol contain chirality center. Therefore, one isomer is chiral. Among 4 isomers, only one is chiral. So option A is the right answer. Next question number 30. Match the items of column 1 with items of column 2. Antifreeze used in car radiators. Okay. Ethylene glycol. It is given in E. Solvent used in perfumes. Ethanol. F. Ethanol. Starting material for picric acid. Phenol. Because trinitrophenol is the picric acid. Wood spirit is methyl alcohol. A reagent used for detection of phenolic group is neutral ferric chloride. Byproduct of soap industry, glycerol. So according to this, option C is the right answer. Okay. Thanking you, students. All the best for coming CET examination. Red करना